Yeah, hello traders. It's been a while. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending where you're watching from. This is Miracle Anayo here again on our channel. And yeah, it's been a while I dropped a video and because of a couple of things and because the market has not been cooperating really well. And once the market is not cooperating and it tends to affect the kind of trader I am, because I am a swing trader. And once the market is not cooperating, I tend to compromise my personality while trading. You understand? I'll tend to go down to lower time frames and start finding small pips and all of that, and it tends to affect me psychologically. So this is one of the keynotes for you. I want you to take away from this video. Okay, do you know what? I'm thinking something. Okay, I don't know if we should do it in my next video. I want to pull out a video that will help you, know the kind of trader you are. Most people are following like a thousands of YouTubers that are trading forex or synthetic indices or whatever it is. Many people are following different people. They are just confused on who to stick with and who not to stick with. So my next video, I'm also going to be talking about some just 4 questions you ask yourself that will determine the kind of trader you are, even if you don't have money to start. If you're a swing trader, and most people always see us swing traders like people with the much money that can hold trade for a long time with big lot size and all of that, it doesn't work that way. Even if you have your $10, your $20, your $50, $100, if you are a swing trader, you will want to stick with that pattern. If you try to compromise to go to a day trader or scalper in order to grow your profit, because that is not your term of trading, you will blow your account. I can assure you that you will definitely blow your account off. So my next video, I'm going to ask these questions. You understand, these 4 questions, and below these questions I also give you tips that will enable you answer them honestly and sincerely. So if you can honestly answer them, you just have to put your bullet answers down and stick to them. You understand? If you're a swing trader, all you have to do, it must not be me, yeah. It's because all strategy works. The only thing is practice. The moment you practice it, you are going to be like in oneness with that strategy, and you see yourself developing and becoming good at it, yeah. So that's just it. So my next video, you want to watch out for my next video. So we will talk about that in a bit, yeah. So, and I want to say a big shout out to you if you're a returning subscriber. I want to say thank you. Alexa, I know you're there. I want to say thank you, big shout out to you. And most of you, I want to say big shout out. If you are new to this channel, kindly like and subscribe. Turn on your bell notification so we can roll up. Let's grow the channel. Let's keep going. So this is volatility 25 index. So right now it's gonna be a kind of a different video. I won't go about showing you charts and all of that. I just want to give you a bullet how to my strategy, just my strategy, yeah. So but this is gonna be kind of a simplified one. So if this will gonna help you, kindly hit that subscribe button, yeah. Hit it, I'm waiting for you. Okay. So so now let's dive straight into this video. So once I approach a chart, there are just 4 things I look out for. Yeah, there are just 4 things I look out for. Okay, most people message me about the mentorship and all of that. Well done, well done, well done, well done. You guys are doing well, yeah. And most others, they are not really serious. They just I don't really understand them, but it's all fine. So right now I'm moving the price from that amount. But meanwhile, for the meantime, I'm gonna be creating like a website where it's going to be official. I'm going to settle down and put all videos in tags from beginners level to intermediate to be a professional profitable trader, all in that video. So once you read here, you just pay and get access to it lifetime, so you don't go ahead stressing me, starting all over fresh and one-on-one and all of that. So if you really want one-on-one, you can still reach out to me from that place, and I don't really like the way my number is out here, but it's all good though. So let's dive straight into this video. Once I reach my chart, there are just four things I look out for, just four good things, and that I have learned so far and is actually working. So if you apply this strategy, it's going to work for you. Number one, hmm, hmm. Are you ready? Okay, number one, what do I look out for? I go on a higher time frame and do what? A top down analysis. I go on a higher time frame to determine what is this market doing. No need to stress myself. What is this market doing? See, if you can know what the market is doing, it's very, you are already 50% winning in that trade. If you can just determine what this market is doing, trust me, you are already what, 50% winning in that trade. Hold on, okay, let's just go ahead. So you're already 50% winning in that trade. So once you know what the market is doing, trust me, you just keep banging in that profit. Okay, let me zoom in a bit. Yeah, okay, we are playing. So once you know what the market is doing, you're going to make banging the profit. So once you approach your chart, the first thing is know what the market is doing. Once you discover what the market is doing, then you can apply other strategies. So number one, you determine what the market is doing on higher time frame. So here is volatility 25 index on a daily time frame. So if I go down to weekly on this time frame, you just discover that it's just a straight line. Let's see. Okay, let's go down to weekly. So you see, it's just straight line. You can't really tell what this guy normally is going down, but you can't really tell what the market is doing. So we'll start on daily time frame. So number one, what is this market doing now? What is this market? It's just doing what? High sorry. Hey, calm down. So the market is just doing what? Lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high. Just market is just crashing. It's just falling. It's just falling. It's just crashing down. You can see it. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, like forever. It's just doing that. So anything we are looking for right now is to continue in the flow of the river. Lower low, lower high. Once e hit a lower high, we are going down to lower low. Once e get to our target, to get out, wait for another lower low, lower high, I mean, we strike, go to another low to target a lower low, and just that's just how it goes. It's as simple as that. Yeah, so the next other strategies that joins this is just for you to get entries. Do you understand? So first things first, price action. What's this market doing? Is doing what? Lower low and lower high. Then number two, wow. So number two, what's this market doing? What do I look out for? Number two is what we call trend line. That's really cool. You just what we call trend line. So now we've determined what's this market doing. The market is doing what? Is hitting a lower lows and lower high, lower lows and lower high. So we now play what? A trend line. So let's go to 4 hour and let's see. Now the market is presently where? So let's go back. The market is presently where? Doing a retracement of what? A lower, trying to do a lower high. You understand? This lower high is lower than the previous high. Look at it. Look at it. It's now trying to do another what? A lower high. So what do we do here? We try to get an entry because it's all presently doing a lower high. Then we use our trend line. Do you understand? We use our trend line. And if you're still interested in the mentorship, I'm always available. It's just that sometimes I get tired, but all the same, so you can hit me up. The price has changed now, but anyways, 5k. 5k, yeah, 5k. I really want to change that price. Anyways, let's just see how it goes. I could actually change, but the lucky people that meet me when the price is still 5k will go and will run around with. But if not, it's gonna be $20, 5.50 per dollar, so it depends. That is 550, 550 naira in Nigeria currency per dollar. So you calculate it from wherever you're coming from. So let's go ahead. Number two, what do we do? Trend line. If this market is doing what, pulling up a higher high, doing pulling up what, a lower high, we pull our trend line. It's very simple. Trend line, this is the bad guy, because it's doing what, a lower high. So as long as this market is above this trend, it's none of our business. We just keep waiting. Hey, keep playing, keep playing, keep playing. Once you are done playing, you let me know. This is just what we do. You understand? Keep playing, keep playing. What else do we do? What else do I look out for? Now the market is doing what, a lower high. It's trying to consolidate, to break and start coming down the normal way. So with this is just the trap we use. We set the trap like, hey, I'm waiting for you. The moment you cross that line, you're going down. You understand? So with this, what we just do, we just set, I look for a trend line. So either I draw the trend line up, that is down. If you have a higher highs, I connect it to the downside. Or if I want to get the lower low and all this kind of stuff, I use this counter trend line. So at the break of this trend line, we are going. But the third thing we look out for, is what, support and resistance. Now we just kind of look, hey, where is this? We can see what, we can see a support here. Now resistance one, resistance, hey, don't misbehave. Okay, resistance one, resistance two, resistance three. That is very valid. Pull up our bad guy, we connect it kind of so. Okay, hey, bad guy, don't misbehave. Okay, I guess this is right. Very nice. Now do you see it? Number two, what the number three thing we look out for now is what, is support and resistance. So support turns to resistance, and now we are waiting for a, you see, is a, now we have to get, is now a kind of a what, a triangle. This bad guy is misbehaving. I want to extend it to the future. Yeah, so now you can see we have something kind of a triangle forming. So this is the point we wait out for. The moment it breaks to the upside, it has violated our rule. It's none of our, we are not interested. See, anything above that trend line is, you don't have to trade it, you just have to be patient. Do you understand? If you go on 15 minutes, you find some noisy moves here, and this is the reason why I like sticking to who I am. I love swing trading. I'm a swing trader, so I don't like going 15 minutes. Always stress me, but of recent, I don't know, I just went along. But it's all fine. Yeah, so I'm back. So this is it. The fourth thing we look out for, I told you it's just four tools. Yeah, so the fourth thing is what, Fibonacci. You guess it right. So we pull out our Fibonacci. um so I draw it from where the, I can see a head and shoulder forming there, so I draw it from shoulders, not head. I always take head as fake out, because that head stuff has showed me shiggy. So hey, bad guy, connect now. Very good. So okay, to the swing low, we fling it to the upside. Very good. I said it's the shoulder guys that I like holding. Yeah, so you can, what can you see? You can see that the market is where, at the 50 region. Can you see it? The market is at the 50 region. So the resistance bar, you see the market is where, at the 50, consolidating from 23.6 and 50. So let's go back to our zoom one level, because I don't like noise. Yeah, very good. So you see the market is where, at the 50 region. So all case close. You understand? Case closed. So once we break that, our take profit will be down. But I don't know. I set a take profit on the Fibonacci. So if this is also what you want to look out for, kindly, I don't know my number. I won't put my number here. Go to my last post. my previous post, my number is at the description box, so you can message me, we'll get started. But you can see the market is where at the 50 region. What do we wait out for at the break of the trend line? At the break of the trend line, there we now get our sniper entry. So the sniper entry is just the experience I have in the market, so that is epic, that is unique. So but if you really want to be looking out for this trade, you can get trading opportunities at the break of this trend line, but you have to be really careful about it because it can come down and do some little consolidation, but and come back to test that trend line or test that resistance bar before going down, like deep down. So but anyways, this market has consolidated enough to shoot down. So you have to be looking out for this market if you're interested in the market. But for now, I don't want to make this video kind of lengthy, but if this is anyway helpful to you, kindly like the video, subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and comment below anything at all. I'm going to reply you. So it's a good day. Yeah, so thank you. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to jump in this trade and take up your money. Trading is at your own risk. I'm just sharing my experience I had with the market. I've been trading for a long while now. Yeah, so I'm just sharing my experience with it. So trade responsibly. So thank you, and catch you on the next on my next post. Yeah, when we'll be talking about this strategy, how to determine your who you actually are in trading. So you don't go about following different YouTubers and from this person you are down to this person and you all of that, because trading deals with psychology, and if you don't stick with one person, it's going to confuse you because we all have different approach to the market. But one thing is sure, we make profit. So it depends the approach. You can't mix two, you can't be on the fence. Do you understand? So stick to one person and the Lord will bless you. So have a nice day and stay safe. Bye. Jesus loves you.